Hey everyone, how's it going? Abdullah Shaqfaz here with you from Autoprime. The legendary Land Cruiser is back for 2027, and while Toyota hit a home run with the return of the J250 generation, they are not standing still. Toyota just announced the official details for the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser, featuring critical factory off-road upgrades, luxury cabin enhancements, and fresh design choices. In this video, we are diving into everything you need to know about the 2027 model, including the key differences that separate it from the last year's truck. Let me know in the comments, would you pick this over the Lexus GX or a Ford Bronco? While the core platform remains the battle-tested TNGA-F global body on a frame architecture, Toyota listened to owner feedback and added 3 major factory updates for 2027. The addition of a factory high-mounted air intake directly from Toyota is a massive win for overland enthusiasts. No aftermarket modification required, so you get cleaner air on dusty trail runs and improved water crossing confidence right from the showroom floor. Under the hood, Toyota stays with its proven high-output powertrain. The engine is 2.4-litre turbocharged inline-4 hybrid, I-Force Max. The power output is 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, with a transmission of 8-speed direct shift automatic. The drivetrain full-time all-wheel drive with 2-speed transfer case, high and low range. For the differentials, electronic locking center and rear differentials. So that 465 pound-feet of torque comes in down low at just 1700 RPM, thanks to the integrated 48 horsepower electric motor. That low-end grunt gives you instant throttle response when crawling over technical terrain. Inside, Toyota elevated the luxury factor without losing utility. The flagship feature for 2027 is the upgraded second-row comfort. The display screens, available with 12.3-inch Toyota audio multimedia screen paired with same-size 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Heated and ventilated rear seats are now available for longer and hot desert trail rides. For connectivity, it has a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Toyota Safety Sense 3 suite, standard across all trims. Here's how the lineup shapes for the 2027. The Land Cruiser 1958, round retro LED headlights, fabric seats, maximum utility. The Land Cruiser mid-trim, rectangular headlights, available 12.3-inch display, stabilizer disconnected mechanism, and optional high-mounted air intake. The starting price is $57,880. So the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser takes a platform that was already hitting all the right notes and sharpens the edges with factory overland hardware and rear seat comfort. If you were holding out on buying one, these 2027 additions might just pull the trigger for you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming upload. Thanks indeed.